Good morning, Shelby County. It's me again, Francisco Alfaro, to wrap up the week with this news updates. Throughout the week, us students have been showing our school's pride and getting pumped up by wearing our 80s clothes, showing our sportswear, and of course just looking like our regular self on Wednesday. Also, Thursday was picture day, meaning it was classy day. Some of you are probably mad about how bad your picture looked, but I know for a fact you guys look better than Miley Cyrus. And of course today, we're wearing our Rocket colors. Come out and support your Rockets tonight. Enough of me, but here's Cody with the sports.
Thanks, Francisco. Well, the girls' soccer won against Paris and Seneca. Also, the football team won against Spencer County 48-25. And the boys' soccer had a draw against Simon Kitten and also lost to Oldham County 6-1. The cross-country team ran last Saturday, and the girls' golf played Henry County and Sacred Heart on Wednesday and came in second to Sacred Heart. They shot 155, and Henry County shot 152. Also, do you have what it takes to complete an obstacle course made for Marines? Well, take yourself down to this year's Swamp Tromp and see for yourself. It starts Saturday morning. That's it for sports. Back to you, Francisco.
Thanks, Cody. For most of us students, college and our careers are coming up, and it's never too early to start planning. Shelby County High School has a new college and career center designed to help our students with ACT information, college recruitment, career options, and scholarships, financial aid, and so much more. Follow the center on Twitter for lots of helpful updates and information. Also, this past Tuesday, I hope many of us took advantage of the College and Career Fair at Collins, where students spoke to business and other college representatives. Here's Bradley with the weather. On to you, Bradley.
Thanks, Francisco. Good morning, Shelby County. We have a beautiful weekend ahead of us, a little bit of a cool down, with a high of 74 on Saturday and a low of 56 with a 10% chance of rain. Now on your Sunday, we have a high of 79 with a low of 55 with a 0% chance of rain. That's all I got for you. Back to you, Francisco.
Thanks, Bradley. Sounds like it'll be a good weekend, but on to real news. I'm sure most of us have heard about Syria and the United States. Most of us think it doesn't really matter, but I'm pretty sure it does. Mostly to us drivers, as it, with the rising conflict, could mean to a rise in gas prices. Yes, it will be like $4 or something. I don't know. It's horrible. But not as horrible as Bruno Mars, who may sing during this year's Super Bowl at halftime. He seems a bit sensitive for football. I don't know, it's what you guys think. And all you Apple fans, Apple is set to perhaps release 2 new iPhones, one rumored to be cheaper than the other, both with new features thought to have fingerprint sensor, plus a 6-inch screen. Who knows what will be in store? I don't know. Steve Jobs is dead, so who knows what they come up. And before I go, McDonald's. That's right, McDonald's is thought to be rebuilt and reopened by Halloween or sometime after. Yes, my fellow teachers, Diet Coke from McDonald's will be back soon. That's all for the News Rockets. Stay gold, my friends.